First, let's begin with a riddle. Guess a food that is strong but fragile. I'll give you a hint. It's actually related to breakfast and protein. A very good morning to Dr. Dina and fellow classmates. Today, we're going to present you about eggs. And yes, the answer to the riddle is eggs. Have you ever wondered what are the chemical composition of chicken eggs and duck eggs, and what are the differences between them? So let's start with chicken eggs.
Hi, my name is Rabetul Adawiyah Binti Sulaiman with matrix number 204601. Chicken egg shells is made almost entirely of calcium carbonate crystals. Its chemical composition are uronic acid, sialic acid, nitrogen, and amino acid. But did you know eggshells restore your teeth? Eggshells are used to manufacture wollastonite, which is the component for bioactive materials like bone substitutes and dental roots. So in all likelihood, you might get your teeth restored with dental prosthetics made from eggshells. Eggshells also get you calcium. You can get calcium supplementation from placing your organic-free range eggshells in a coffee grinder. They are highly bioavailable and provide more calcium than those you would obtain from cheap pharmacy and supermarket supplements.
Hi, I'm Jessie. I would like to continue with the chicken's egg white. Actually, the egg white alone consists of 58% of total egg weight. The major constituents are water and proteins. The rest are carbohydrates, lipids, vitamins, and minerals. The chemical constituents of yolk is similar with egg white. The differences are yolk contain less water and have cholesterol. Compared to yolk, the lipids in egg white only 0.03%, which is nearly negligible. The yolk color determined by xanthophyll pigments, named lutein and zeaxanthin. Do you curious about the differences in yolk color? Actually, the yolk color determined by the content of xanthophyll, which depends on the type of feed provided to the hens.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Noor Binti Azmasha, and today I will present about the eggshell. If you can see, there are 11 types of chemical composition, and the major of it is calcium carbonate, which has 98.101%. Then, did you know that duck eggshell is significantly thicker than chicken eggshell? Because of calcium is the major compound, so the calcium will be secreted into the shell gland lumen for eggshell deposition. So this is why the structure of the duck eggshell have more compact palisade layer, which give higher breaking strength to the eggshell. So this thicker eggshell will give longer shelf life to the egg. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I am Nurul Hidayah. Now let's get into the component of duck eggs. So duck eggs contain of 54.73% of egg white and 33.94% of yolks, while the other 10.87% is the shell itself. So in egg white, it contains of high constituents of proteins and very low constituents of lipids. Meanwhile, in yolks, it contains of high both in protein and lipids. So the fun fact is fresh duck egg had a higher yolk proportion than hen egg, which had 28 to 29% of yolk.
And that brings us to the end of this presentation. In conclusion, eggs are strong but fragile food that many people love. In chicken eggs, xanthophylls control the yolk color while the shells give us calcium. Duck eggs, on the other hand, have higher yolk proportion compared to chicken eggs, and they also have longer shelf life due to thicker shell. This is the nutritional comparison between these two. As you can see, duck eggs are higher in calories, protein, fat, omega-3 fatty acids, and cholesterol. This is because duck eggs are larger in size. So, which one is better? I want you to decide that yourself. Are you team chicken or are you team duck? Well, that's all from us. Thank you for your attention.